Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying what Excel is complaining about and why. Click the cell with the green triangle, then open the small error menu to read the message. This tells you whether it's a formula, reference, or data type issue. Once done, scan neighboring cells and the formula bar to see how the value was produced, because the fix depends on the cause. Make sure to note any formulas returning errors, and whether the cell contains constants or linked values before you change anything. Now apply a specific solution based on the error type. For divide by zero, wrap the calculation in IF or IFER. For missing lookup results, use IFNA or adjust lookup ranges. If the problem is a bad reference, fix the range or use absolute referencing to stop shifts when copied. When names or functions are unrecognized, check spelled names and add missing add-ins. Make plausible small edits. Then press Enter and observe whether the green flag disappears, so you know you finish by validating and cleaning up. Use Evaluate formula to step through multi-part calculations so you can see the exact failing piece, then correct it. If the value is intentionally different, choose Ignore Error or disable specific checks and options. However, make sure teammates know why. Finally, document the change and consider protecting cells or locking formulas to prevent regression. If errors persist, check linked workbooks and data types, because external links and mismatched types often cause recurring errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.